Ayan guys, it's been 1 hour guys. Not 1 hour yet. Nag-ano ako guys sa aking mga Facebook guys, sa lahat ng mga phone ko guys. Hindi naka-section expired. Nang-log out lahat yung mga account ko. Kahit i-login ko yung mga account ko, hindi ma-login. So, itong nangyari pala guys, nag-search ako agad dito sa Google kung nag-shutdown ba yung Facebook ngayon. So, ito guys yung reply guys. Oh. No, we are not detecting any problems with Facebook right now. The last outage detected for Facebook was on Monday, March 4, 2024 with a duration of about 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 49 minutes. Kaya pala siguro